Thank you very much for checking out the tutorial for ITD Canada's LMS as a teacher. As you know, everything will start by logging into our website as itdcanada.ca/mngmnt. This is the website that you're supposed to log into. It will automatically redirect the page to a page with a new address that is the login page in order to get into the LMS. At this point, I have chosen one of our instructors' email address and password for the purpose of demonstrating this part of the system to you. Once you log in successfully, you'll be accessing the main page of the system. In this page, you will actually see the two icons that are available for you, which are application and tasks. There is indication that you are in the home page of the system as well. As you can see, there is multiple different methods that you can access the applications that are made for you and you have permission to access them. For example, you can see the list of the tasks by expanding the task on the left hand side or by clicking on the icon for the task. Similarly, you can either expand application on the left hand side menu or click on the application icon that you will see in your home page. Under applications, you can see that you're able to upload an ebook, take a look at the library, upload course assets, record attendance, and submit grades. Let's start with one of the most important tasks that you should do on every class, and that would be submitting the attendance. By clicking on the record attendance, it will actually take you to a page that you see right now. In this page, you will see the list of the courses that you're teaching in the current quarter, and you have the ability to check the attendance and get a report on the attendance. If you click on the check the attendance link, then it actually takes you to the next page that shows you the list of the students plus indications of whether they were late, present, absent, or if they left early. Once you actually see this page, the first thing that you have to do is check the date that you're submitting the attendance for. Once you choose the date, you have the ability to indicate whether a student was present or absent, or whether he or she came late or left early. Remember, you have to indicate the number of minutes as well. One important thing is to check the checkbox for present when a student comes late or leaves early. Student cannot be absent and come late or leave early. Please pay attention that under these circumstances, you actually check the checkbox for present. After you're done checking the checkboxes, you can actually submit the attendance. You can always come back to this location by clicking on the same link as well and modify the attendance if you wish to. You can always click on the return button to make it to the main menu and start all over again. You won't ever need to use the attendance report. Another important task that you need to do is submitting the marks for the course that you're teaching. But first, you have to actually indicate your assessment criteria. In this page, you indicate how many tests and which type of tests are you going to take from your students. And then you also indicate what is the weight of every single assessment tool that you're using. For example, the page shows you how you can add a final exam that is worth 50% of the entire mark to your assessment criteria list. By clicking on the back button, you will see the added item in the list of the assessment criteria that you have. Now, by choosing any of the added items, you can go to the page that you can actually input the marks, the letter grades, and the percentage grades for all the students that you have in your class. And then simply by submitting the grades, all the grades are going to be submitted and saved in the system. Another thing that you can do is uploading the course assets for your students. An asset is basically any file that you want your students to see when they go to their user interface and they're able to upload this. A course asset could be presentation, code, any sort of document, PDF files, pictures, videos, audios, or anything that you want. All you have to do is just upload the file by choosing the file, selecting the file from the file menu, and then clicking on the upload and save file. Once your upload is complete, the name of the file that you uploaded is available on the list underneath the page. You can delete the file if you want to after this stage. One more thing you can do is the ability to use the ITD Canada's e-library. ITD Canada has a rich combination of different books in different areas. You can download the books if you want to, so you can use them at a later time if necessary. Another thing that you can do is using the same process as uploading course assets, you can upload ebooks for your students for the particular course that you're teaching, so students can use it anytime they wish. Remember, this is work in progress and it might have errors, so please, if you encounter any error, send us an email to tickets@itdcanada.ca and we will look after it for you.